Okay guys, I said I would find something else and I found something else. I'm going to show you how to get it. It's already on the box. I don't know if some of you might already have installed it or not, but I will show you how to get it. It's IPTV and you get roughly about 1,000 channels, and a lot of them are totally up and running. So we're going to go here to BTV. Okay, we're going to go to Settings, Add-on, Get Add-ons. We're going to scroll all the way down to Super Repo. Now we're going to go Video Add-on. Look for IPTV. We want this one right here, IPTV Stalker, RIP. You click OK, scroll to the left, you click Install. As you can see, it's now enabled. Now we click OK again, scroll to the left, and we're going to go to Settings on here. Now when you load it up, yours is going to look like this.
What?
You want to click on Custom MAC Address. And you want to put these numbers in. 001 capital A 79123431. You have to put that in or this isn't going to work. Once you get those numbers in there, you want to click on Send Serial Number. Now we click OK. Now if we go back into Settings, there is adult content in this, and right here is how you block it. If you don't care about blocking it, you can skip this step, but you go to Settings, Parental Controls, and you click here to enable it. You set a 4-digit PIN right here, any number you want. I'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4 for right now. And we click Done, and we click OK. And now, before we launch it, we want to back out of here, go to Video Add-on. Now you will find it in this list here, IPTV Stalker, RIP. You want to click on that, and before you launch this, you want to highlight this here and click the menu button, and you want to clear the cache right here. So now that that's cleared, now we can load this.
Daddy, I want a drink.
Okay, hold on. So now here's all the folders here. As you can see, here's the adults, but they're blocked now. So let's click on all.
I'm going to play outside.
Okay. Takes a minute to get going the first time, but it is worth it. Okay, now we got all the channels loaded up here. I like clicking over here. If you scroll to the left, you can put it on title. So you could list them alphabetical order. And there's quite a few. Let's see. Cartoon Network. Here's Spanish Cartoon Network. Let's see. As you can see, there is 960 in here. Discovery. So you can scroll around through here and watch quite a bit of stuff. If we go back here to children's, you have all the Nick Jr., Nickelodeon, Disney's, all the Spanish down here. And if you look here, cinema, here is all of HBO's Cinemax, Stars, Showtime, Encore, and you got Spanish more, and let's see down here, yeah, Fox, HBO, Cinemax. So as you can see, there's a lot more in here. The other one I posted lasted a day. Hopefully this lasts longer for everybody. Hope you guys enjoy it.